Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christian. Today is Friday, Good Friday. It's March the 25th, 2016. We'll be looking at several different charts today, long-term and short, and starting off with the Wilshire 5000. Last week, we talked about this particular chart, and we showed you the difference between the bull market time periods and the bear market time periods. You can go back and watch that video if you'd like. I recommend you do so. Today, we're going to be showing you that, but then we're going to be overlaying on top of that a 50 period moving average, right? This guy right here. Keep in mind this chart is 21 years and it's a weekly time period. So I'm not using candlesticks here, but the main thing here is to point out that whenever you're in a bullish trend, you are trading above that 50 period moving average, that red line that I was pointing out to you right here. Okay, it's a 50 period moving average. When you're above that, you are in a bullish time period, a bullish sense of the market, and any pullback to that area gives you good entry opportunity right here, like so. Okay, again here. When you fall below that, all right, that's where a lot of people get really bearish, because in many cases you do this, you fall below it, and it ends up leading to a bear market time period where you actually fall down there into the shaded area. But not in every case. Look here, you fell below it, you came close to that shaded area, the bear market area, and you bounced off of it. We saw the same thing happen here earlier this year. So the question is, are we preparing to break down, or was this just a pullback, a correction, and an overall bullish trend that's going to then go bullish again? To do that, we would have to get back above that 50 period moving average. Okay, that's the line to watch there. Also keep an eye on this guy, right? Because if you dip down below here, then we got a problem there as well. But anything in between there, any zigzag and whatnot, could just be consolidation. We've seen that kind of stuff before, and you want to keep an eye on this for some kind of a signal of which way it's going to break. But right now, that's the main thing everyone's going to be focusing on, is what's really happening on the big picture. You're going to see a lot of people arguing for the bears and a lot of people arguing for the bulls, but the truth of the matter is nobody knows which direction is really going to break. We'll pick a side and say, well, we think it's going to break this way, or we think it's going to break that way. But truth be told, we don't know. And if it happens to fall in favor of the way that we predicted it would, it's just by chance. We didn't actually know what was going to happen, okay? Just want to share it with you guys today. God bless, take care, enjoy your weekend. And if you want to see a overview of the short-term charts, go back and watch last week's video, because that still applies to this week.